Hello everyone, welcome back to this new video. Today we will talk about how to start English learning. You know, English is a language, it's a global language. Okay, so this is very important for our improving our life or career. Okay, so if you are new on the channel, then subscribe the channel to see more videos like this. So let's get started. So guys, first of all, we talk about how to start English speaking. Okay, speaking is the most important factor for your conversation or improve your communication skill. So without speaking, conversation or in communication can't happen. Okay, so we have to do conversation or speaking. Okay, so first of all, if you want to speak English, then you have to understand most important thing is listening. I tell you two factor. First is, if you wanna speak, then you have to listen more and more phrases. Okay, and you have to concentrate on phrases, not words. But if you want to write English, then you have to understand and you have to focus on reading skill. I mean, if you want to write, then you have to study more and more or reading books. If you want to speak, then for speaking you have to listen more and more people phrases. So for speaking, for speaking English improve if you want to speak or if you want to improve your English. Okay, so you need to understand, you have to focus on your phrases. So one thing I tell you, if you learn phrases, you can easily speak English. But if you learn words, so you can't speak English easily or confidently, because words, more than one word contact included or making one phrases. Okay, so you listen phrases through English movies, TV shows, podcasts. Okay, so you focus your phrases only, and you repeat more and more that phrases you have listened, and you repeat more and more, you speak more and more about. So that's it. This is the most common segment here to speak English. So if you wanna speak English fluently in a right way, so if you are beginner, then you never speak in a right way. You you are thinking about your study of grammar. Okay, so always grammar kills your speaking. If you focus on your grammar in beginner, if you are beginner, then you can't speak English, because for grammar, English grammar learning, your mind always translate your native language to English language. So if you want to speak fluently, then you have to, you should never translation any type native language to English language. Okay, so you never think about translation. But when we think about English translation, when you think about your English grammar meanings or English grammar mistakes, that time you should understand your grammar or your speaking. But translation is between your speaking and grammar. So translation, doing your translation native language to English language, this is the most important mistake here. So you never do translate, you only focus on phrases that you have listened. Okay, and you have listened and you speak more and more. That's it. You can easily speak any language and you can easily understand what they are listened, and you can speak easily. So I hope you guys understand what I'm saying you. So if you want to speak English, then you focus on your English listening skill. So you listen English podcast, newspapers, and you watch English movies. Not so you could never learn with eyes. You learn with your ears, because you want to speak for speaking connection with your ears, not our eyes. Okay, so you don't understand. I'm watching, I can speak. Not. If you are watch, you never speak. If you listen, you always speak. Okay, so if you like the information, then like, share the video. Also subscribe this channel to see more videos like this. So see you in my next video very soon.